Alright, good day, wonderful people. Alright, today I'll be taking some question I got from one of my groups. Alright, I think I got this from this group. Okay, yesterday I asked if there's any question they will want me to answer, and Mr. Dana gave me this question. So I'll be going through the I'll be walking you through some of these questions, but I'm gonna break it down. All right. I'll, I'll first and foremost want to talk about the Trust Wallet. Then I'll move to the Binance with another video. If there's no time to, anyway, let me quickly show you exactly what he said there. On the Trust Wallet, I don't know how to swap from one wallet to another wallet. Okay, that's not an issue. Okay, on Trust Wallet, if I get your question properly on Trust Wallet, how to swap, I would not recommend swapping on Trust Wallet. Of course, I've tried that a couple of times. You know, most times the delay is like hours before you get your swap. Sometimes you don't even get this money back. Okay, so I won't recommend swapping on Trust Wallet. Let's go to the Trust Wallet account. Let's see a typical demonstration from here. I'll probably use one of the lowest wallets here. Let me see. Okay, let me use this. All right. I do not want to showcase my wallet addresses because I would want to post this on YouTube, but I don't know who's gonna watch this. There are a lot of guys who are good in tech. Just a wallet address, they can hack into your accounts, and I have so much on that account. Some of my accounts there. Anyway, this is Trust Wallet, okay, and what do we want to do here? Okay, swapping. All right, this is the section for swapping below. Like I said, I don't advise swapping here because I've tried it a couple of times. Sometimes the money will just disappear, or it takes like hours, sometimes days. So I don't recommend swapping here. It's better you send the fund to your Binance account. Okay, from there you can swap. Swap doesn't take more than 10 seconds. You're through. Maximum of 10 seconds. As you can see, it's even harder to open their platform here. Let me switch to my mobile data. All right, so like I said, I wouldn't recommend swapping here. There are several reasons why I said so. Gas fee for swapping is also a bigger challenge. The spillage is also a bigger challenge. This is like the spillage 2%. They're going to take 2% from your swap. Okay, and this is just spillage, fee. What about gas fee? You understand? So you can do swap by, if you want to go ahead and do that, okay, you can do swap by doing this, and you click the swap button. Of course, you're gonna pay a lot of fee. Just the way I said, this is the gas fee here, and then this is the spillage fee. Who knows? You may also want to pay another gas fee, from your BNB wallet, because this is the union swap fee, and then the spillage fee is there. You may want to pay another fee. So it's about paying fee on Trust Wallet, okay? So I wouldn't advise that, okay? So that's for that. If you still want to go ahead and swap, you can go ahead to swap coins on Trust Wallet, but I don't advise that because you're gonna spend a lot of money. There are a lot of coins that you can swap back and front, but then you need to be sure of what network are you swapping to. That's another thing you need to know, because if you're swapping the Ethereum network coins, you still need to know which one. If you're swapping between the BNB smart chain network, you should know where you're swapping to as well. Okay, so you can also always come here and change the details. Okay, you can change the details, and you have your Binance Smart Chain tokens here, all right, or cryptos here to swap with. But with this, you may not actually pay that high. You're gonna pay just one time. I think it's spillage, and then also you're gonna pay the gas fee using the BNB. So don't ask me how much are they going to charge, because every miner, on every platform charges different. And again, you look at the duration, the time frame of when you are swapping. If you're swapping between the hours of maybe like 7 a.m. to like 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then from the daytime to night, they may want to charge you higher, because there are a lot of people who are trying to use the same platform. So miners take advantage of people at that period. So in most cases, I would advise you do your swapping at night if you want to actually use the Trust Wallet. Okay. So basically, that's how to swap. I guess I've answered your question, but if you ask me, do not use the Trust Wallet swap. I rather send the money to the Binance, where I see a live swapping myself, and it doesn't take more than 10 seconds. Your stuff is swapped, and they charge lower than the Trust Wallet. Okay, let's go back to the question. The second question is, I don't know how to buy coin on Trust Wallet. Okay, let's go back to the Trust Wallet. I'll show you how to buy it, but then I still do not recommend you use this platform to buy your coin. Okay, so to buy a coin, you need to click on this to buy the coin. I don't advise, if you're in Nigeria, don't buy using, because even at that, if you're in Nigeria, it's not acceptable to buy. You can't use your card. The only option here is just, I think, is MonPay. Okay, MonPay is what they are using here. Let's see. They have several. They have several other other payment gateway here you can use, but then I don't advise you using it. The very first day I tried buying using Trust Wallet was about 7 years ago, and it took me like it took over, I think, over 12 hours to get my coin back, because in fact I had to write them back and front. I'm talking about MonPay, before they were able to release the coin. And at the end of when they released the coin, let's say for instance I purchased $100 worth of this coin, and they were able to release $122. So they took a lot of gas fee and so many spillage fee. So I don't recommend buying from this platform. I would rather buy from Binance, where the gas fee is pretty low. Okay, is it gas fee they use on Binance? No, they use a transactional fee, not really gas. Yeah, it's gas fee. So it's also called transactional fee in the real world. Okay, for instance, you go to the bank, you want to get stuffs. Okay, you want to transfer money from the bank, or you're using your bank app. That fee they usually charge. That's what it's called in the crypto world. It's called gas fee, and then there also spillage fee for DeFi people for those who actually want to do exchange on DeFi or decentralized platforms. So basically that's for that. I hope I've answered that question. Yeah. Okay, so the third question is the third question here is, I don't know how to sell coin on Trust Wallet. Okay. And the fourth question is, I don't know how to stake coin on Trust Wallet. There's nothing like staking coin on. I think there's staking, but I wouldn't advise you doing all of this on Trust Wallet, because their gas fees and all that we take bulk of your money. Okay, let's take the third question, which said, I don't know how to sell coin on Trust Wallet. Okay, what do you mean by selling coin on Trust Wallet? Okay, by selling coin on Trust Wallet, let's check their platform again. I don't think there's anything like selling coin here. It's the Trust Wallet platform is not a centralized platform like Binance. This is a decentralized platform where they mostly do, where like a portfolio where you keep your stuffs. Okay, I don't think they have this. It's not a marketplace where people come in and buy coin, and that's why I felt this their buy option here is not really effective, because so many people are not using this. Maybe if you're outside Nigeria, it may be very important that you use this, but here in Nigeria, it's difficult to see people buying crypto here. So there's nothing like selling here. You can send, receive, and then up. Like I said, if you're outside Nigeria and your cards are working properly, you can also buy. And we also have this one that's also here. That's I think is in. Let's see what's there. Maybe, to be sincere with you, I haven't really gone through this. Maybe one of these days I'll take my time. Okay, but I don't think there's much there. But the main purpose of Trust Wallet here is, exchange platform where you can exchange your stuffs and all that. And it's a decentralized. Okay, Trust Wallet is a decentralized platform where a lot of things happen. Okay. So on Trust Wallet too, you have a browser a browser section where you can as well use a browser, just like the way I posted Uniswap link. You can always come here at the top side and drop your, link here. Instead of using the traditional browser, you can always use the decentralized browser on the Trust Wallet platform. You understand? And right here we have several things. That's the settings section where you can, set your stuffs. All right. Nothing much on this platform. Okay. Trust Wallet is more of a robust platform where you can, do keep your portfolios, your coins. Okay. Based on several reasons. I don't want to take much of our time. Let's go back to the WhatsApp group again and take the last question. I don't know how to stake. There's nothing like stake on Trust Wallet. Okay, I've answered that already. I just hope this video helps you well. This is about 13 minutes. I don't want to make it too long, so I'll go over and make another video for Binance and this question here. Okay. I just hope this have helped so many of you out there. Some of you are actually watching from YouTube, Facebook. I just hope this helps you. I'm going to see you in the next video shortly. Take care of yourself.